let the saw do the work. For today's job, we're going to pave this. We're going to pave to here, all the way up to there and across, down. And we're going to put a new post in. We'll replace this post because it's perished. Paving all the way up to here.
Stitch it back together, better late than never, steady motion. Can't control my fate, but I control all these emotions. I'm not broken.
Perished it is.
I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game.
Found underneath the concrete there's gravel.
Yeah, alright.
Underneath the gravel there's concrete, which is really, really good. Better than any hardcore we can put back in. And we've just about got 60mm from finish level, so it'd be ideal. We've also found drain, which is running nice as well. So we're going to fall the patio this way. From there, fall it this way. I'm going to have it falling towards the drain, either running an ACO or land drain. And we've got to dig this post out, dig that post out, and renew them. Fetch these slabs up and dispose of them. But 5 years ago, Connor was barely a boy. We did this job. This patio's 5 years old. There was just a bank from the garden down to here. This is an extension. And then we've dug this out, put a footing in, patioed it, and then built a wall, went up there. That was 5 years ago we did this, and there's no cracks, no pointing dropping out. We used flow point, which is excellent stuff. We put the correct drainage in down there. Yeah, it worked really, really well. Now it's time to do this section.
Okay, so I've managed to get it loose, as you can see. So my next job is to pull it out, and then I'm going to dig the hole around 2.5 foot, because we're going to put a new post in there, a new gate, and then once that's dug down, I'll have to make a start on that one. Going great. Okay, that's one hole dug, around 2.5 foot. Now it's time for the next. Yesterday I finished digging both of the holes. That one's not as deep as there is a footing in it, however we will also screw it to a wall, it will be more than strong enough. I'm currently waiting for a delivery from MKM so we can get to laying some slabs tomorrow. However, it was supposed to be coming this morning. Again, we'll call it 9 o'clock and there'll be a couple of hours. It's now 2:30 in the afternoon. I've been stood out here for about 5 hours waiting. Unfortunately, I see a storm rolling in, so hopefully they get here before the storm comes. That way I can get everything offloaded, move all the slabs around ready for tomorrow, and hopefully I've got enough time to go back to the yard to clean the yard off a bit. It's in a bit of a mess at the minute. The storm is here, there's still no sign of MKM, so I'm just hanging out in the garage for a bit.
We're back after a day off, chilling out at the spa. Connor's been digging some holes. And over here by the house. Looks like he's found the conduit for the electric cable, and that's the house footing, so we've not been able to get too deep with this one. But we'll bolt the post to the house. Is that what you said, Connor?
That's what I said.
Nice. It's a genius. Look alright now you've had your haircut.
You saying I didn't look alright to begin with?
Just showing Connor this hole. The household footing is only, it's about 8 inches thick. So that is clay. That's house footing what we've broke off. And then there's about 4 courses up to the current ground level. But that's all the house is built on, to about 200mm of concrete. And we're cried off for the day. We're going to go to a different job. It's too wet.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
I forgot to video and now we're outside, so we've got the self level down on the floor. We've plastered up the reveals. Job done. Not really see. So we've just finished the garage conversion job and the little brick wall behind the house, blocky up, door out, window in jobby. Customers thanked us, very happy with the job. They've even given us, oh wrong way, there we go, they've given us a crate of beer each and one for the bricky Pete. So thank you very much, it's been a pleasure working for you.
It has, thank you for everything.
We're back after being cried off for the day yesterday.
And now you know it. Hey little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
Don't drop the post in a hole when it's full of water.
So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be
The hole's full of water, just over a foot.
I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
You ever been sawing something and an old boy walks past and goes, oh, let the saw do the work? Well, I am doing. It's not working.
I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on.
The idea is concrete will sink to the bottom and the water will come out and go down that drain. Concrete sinking to the bottom of the hole, pushing the water out, and the water's on its way off home down the drain. The way we've levelled them through, strung a line, and over I've got an average of 10mm. The top bevel isn't cut square, but you got an average of 10mm. Between 20 there and about 5 there, so the middle bit's 10. Same this side. We've gone sort of 5, 20. There's about a 10mm gap there. And that line's dead level, so we've set them plumb that way and that way, and then strung a line between them to get them bang on in the right place. And if you measure between them, well, for the faces we've got about 12 foot for like a 5-bar gate, like they had before, but it's rotten. So we strung a line around 400mm away from the house, straight down the house, parallel. This was so we weren't getting interfered with the drain or the posts that we put in. So we got some mixes on the go and started laying.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems. I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away.
Just noticed a split in the wheelbarrow, and that'll get bigger and bigger and crack all the way down there and then right the wheelbarrow off, so we're going to fix it. Yeah, if you drill a hole at the base of the crack, it stops it going further. See where the cracks shouldn't go any further now. Thick.
Nice one.
Well, maybe she's cured. So there's our little bushcraft fix done for the day. Back to the laying.
Here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
Cabbage. Is that peach?
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be.
It's Friday. We're almost done. Yep.
Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying. But you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but
In a break. Again.
That's it. We're finished for the day. It's kind of just moving stuff around. We've laid a few bit of paving today, and we've got the posts in to the concrete. So come Monday, it will be gone off solid. Done this drain, the recess manhole. We can continue laying on Monday. We'll go down there, across there, and lay out, and then probably have a day away while it all goes off.
Fashion or driver?
I knew it. I knew I had to video this. Look how wet you are. Have you had an accident?
No, I've had an early bath.
So the channel's got 320 subscribers now.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, so thank you if you're one of those subscribers or someone coming new. We'd appreciate you subscribing. That was not awkward at all. What I'm trying to say is thank you. Thank you for subscribing and watching us donuts do some work.
I wouldn't really call it work, but yeah, thank you. 10 past 3. I don't know, like it. Go,
Okay.
go.
Okay, yeah,
Go,
yeah.
go, go, go.
Oh, we're going.
Oh shit, not now.
Well, thank you for tuning in this week to another DWFM Weekly.